It's a new dawn, it's a new day. And today we're doing another off-road ride. Last week I uploaded my first video in 6 weeks, while normally I was uploading once a week. That was because I was so busy with moving and working and just being on holiday. Normally now we're gonna go back to the weekly uploads. Could be that sometimes I miss a week, but I'm gonna let that go. I'm just gonna post when I want to, because I don't want it to be like I have to post a video this week, so I have to go ride. I just want to ride and make videos. So yes, that's gonna be like the thing from now on. So now we're gonna go for a ride, an off-road ride in the Netherlands. We set a route on our Sw-motech app. So we're gonna go there and we're gonna see what happens, because normally this route is for 4x4s, so like the trucks, jeeps, stuff like that. So we're gonna see. Normally it's gonna rain, but now it's good weather, so I hope it's gonna just be like this the whole time, because the weather report most of the time is just wrong. So let's hope it's wrong in our favor. Anything to add before we leave? No. Okay. That's just wants to ride, which I understand. So let's go. Alright, we have arrived at the track. So yes, it was an hour ride here, just boring roads. And now we're gonna do the great roads, the fun roads. So let's go. This is the first off-road track. And we have a car in front of us. So if that car can do it, so can we. There's something wrong with my phone, because it's charging, but yet the Sw-motech app is depleting it so fast that it's, counting down instead of up. So my phone is gonna die. Luckily I sent the GPX track to my dad, and he's also got it on his phone, so he's gonna ride in front. Alright, there's a lot of wind here, so I hope you understand me. Just random surprise, little lake.
Yes, wind in the metal. Through these holes.
The wind is literally making music here. I don't know if you heard it, but nice. Yes, we're on a very sandy road. I came a bit off because it's not straight. I'm glad I have a better tire for this, because I can definitely feel a difference, but it's still tricky. Just steady, steady. Yeah, it's okay. It's just loose, but it wasn't super difficult. Alright. Nice. Wait. Ja? That was pretty wet, but my feet are dry and it was not slippery at all. First shot, the one shot. What do you think that would? Dat was serieus gescoord. Ja. Alright. Second stop of the day. Have a little snack. It was by accident that we stopped at this beautiful stop. Because I said that maybe we should stop, and then just 2 minutes later we arrive here. So that's great. I think we're lucky with the weather, because it's just sunny the whole day. Well, the weather report said rain, so it can't get any better. If you expect rain and it's sunny, best thing ever. Also, something very pretty here is a swamp. We first thought, like, the GPX says there is water here and there's just green, so what the hell? but then we stopped and then we saw that there's just water everywhere, but the plants just come out, so it doesn't seem like it at first.
Brace for impact.
Oh.
Hay fever.
Hay fever, like always. Nice. That was deep.
Ja, wel mooi. Twee kanten water. Afstand toch mooi stuk.
Our last stop of the ride, we came across a point of trauma. When we rode that Netherlands, you can watch it right here in this thing if you click here. We had to stop because it was a very hot day and we burned the clutch plates of the Royal Enfield Himalaya in that area that we just passed by, and we had the choice: do we go for it on the Tenere and the CBX? The CBX has done it before, but we decided not to do it because we just didn't want to struggle that much. Probably now it would be easier because it's not so hot and it's a little bit wet, so all the sand is more like it sticks to the ground more. It's not that loose, so it should be fine. But we know how long it is, and it's just a very like area with a lot of bicycles, and we didn't want to disturb them, so we took a different route. And now we are here. Sunny, angry, a really nice ride. Yet again, I will include a link in the description with this GPX file. So if you're in the area of Belgium or Netherlands or Germany or wherever close to here, you can maybe check it out. It's definitely worth it. It's a really nice route with a lot of like sandy roads, gravel roads, sometimes like a little bit tricky, more off-roady kind of roads. So yes, good. I'm actually going to end the video here because I'm going to the vaccination center to get my second vaccine for the coronavirus. So yes, that's in a good hour and a half that I have to be there. So I'm gonna leave now. I'm gonna take the highway, so not really interesting roads ahead of me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Dad, anything to add?
It was surprisingly fun again.
Surprisingly fun, yes.
Yeah, surprisingly fun. And the weather was okay, but because we expected rain and there was no rain. So.
Yeah, that's always a positive. Yes.
Nice.
Great. Alright. Hope you enjoyed this video, and now bye bye.